and blue for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi and welcome to a new unboxing video of Made by Siem. I just did my Dutch video. As you guys know, I'm Dutch, and for me it's so much easier to do it in Dutch first and then do it in English. So therefore my package is already ripped open and I couldn't get everything back into the package, but nevertheless I'm really happy with what I ordered, because this is not a sponsored package. I ordered it myself, because as you guys know, I'm so much in love with the ice yarns. Anyway, I'm going to show you what's inside of this package. I'm going to put it aside. Oops. Look at these beauties. Don't you just love the color tones in that? It's let me see, it's the cotton cakes cotton fine gray beige cream. Look how beautiful that is. I'm sorry for the noise I'm making. It's in plastic, so I'm so sorry. I'm gonna take one out. And what I love so much about these cakes, besides the color and the feel, the blend of the fabric that they used for it, besides that all, I really do love it that you have the start of the inside of your skein or cake just right in front of you, so you don't have to dig into your cake and try to get it out, because it's there already. Now this yarn has 4 threads like that, or 4 strands together, and in the beginning I found it difficult to work with it, but that was my very first time when I crocheted with it. Now I think that the way that your color changes into another color, it's so beautiful, and with this yarn it is possible to do that. So beautiful. And you get used to it. You just have to be sure that you have a good tension on your yarn, and then you can work as fast as you can work with a twined, is that called twined? A twined thread yarn. I really love working with this yarn. Absolutely love it. So I think this is a new color that they have. Not sure though, but I think it is. Anyway, the Cakes Cotton Fine has a 50% cotton, a 50% acrylic, 150 grams, and there is 600 meters in just one cake. And when you buy this yarn, it comes in a package of 2. So you're not able to order this per cake, per skein, but you order this in a package of 2. And with 1200 meters you are able to make for example a lovely skirt, or a crochet wrap, or whatever you like. Shawl, you can make a beautiful shawl out of it. Yeah, it's so beautiful, and it's so soft. I love it. I love it. Okay, sorry for the noise. Putting that one back in. So I got that. And then I ordered this. One of my friends, she also lives in the village where I live in. She told me about YARNS, and I'm very thankful that she did, because ever since I did my first order, I'm so much in love with the brand. So, Claudia, thank you for that. She told me that she really likes Dora, the Dora yarn of YARNS, and I've placed many orders at YARNS, but I never ordered it. And about a day and a half ago, I thought I'm gonna give it a try. She likes it really much, so I'm going to give it a try. So therefore I bought the Dora light gray, and I'm going to look at it, and I just felt the yarn in my Dutch video, and I'm actually really surprised about the softness of the yarn. It's soft, it doesn't feel itchy at all. It's really soft. It's a 100% acrylic yarn. It has 100 grams per skein, per ball, and 250 meters. So in one pack, because it comes in a pack of 4, you will have 1000 meters. They do recommend to use a 3 to 3.5 millimeter knitting needles. So yeah, I think I would use a 4 millimeter crochet hook, but it depends on what I'm making, because when I make a shawl and I don't want a really stiff shawl, I might even use a 5 millimeter. It just depends on the pattern, and it depends on your tension and so many other things. So they say it's a number 2 in the weight, a number 2. Yeah, I might agree. I think I do agree. Somewhere between a 2 and a 3, maybe. Not sure. It's beautiful. It has a sort of a shiny look. Not too much. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I got this, and then I was having another really good look at the other colors of Dora that they have. And instead of trying it out first, I also bought the powder pink one, and my package, and I bought the white one. Because when I saw these colors together, I thought, this looks like a very beautiful blanket. Don't you think? Will I be able to make a blanket out of 3,000 meters? Or a throw? Or a bedspread? I don't know. We'll have to see. I think so, though. Beautiful, right? Oh, so beautiful. Okay. 4 packs already. I have 2 packs left in my package. Then I got these. This, when I saw this on the website, I thought it looks like it's not grey, but it's silver. And I instantly fell in love with the way the yarn looks on the website. Sorry for the noise again. So, see, it's shiny. It really does look like it is silver. So beautiful. This is the Tena. 50% cotton, 50% polyester, 100 grams, 170 meters, knitting needles 2 to 3 millimeter. I would crochet this with a 2.5 till 3.5, I think, maybe 4, but depends on the pattern I'm going to make. And it's weight number 2. It's fine. Yeah, number 2, fine. I might do a project for a little purse or something like that. I might do that. Not sure though. I really like how this yarn looks. So beautiful. Yeah. Look. Don't you think that's beautiful? Nice. Okay, it comes in a pack of 4 skeins. So there's a lot to work with. So I got that, and then I got another package. This is a white color as well. I'm not sure. It seems like I'm falling in love with this time of year with neutral tones. I think they're neutral tones, don't you think? Anyway, this is super soft. It's the Cotton Bamboo Light. 60% bamboo, 40% cotton, 100 grams and 140 meters per ball. Knitting needles 3 to 4 millimeter, and it's lightweight number 3. And it's super soft. I think it is a fantastic yarn to use in the summertime for something that you wear straight onto your skin because of the cotton and bamboo blend. That's what I think. I don't know what you think about it, but that's what I think. And it has a shiny, look, it is really shiny. How do you say that? Please tell me how you say that. It's not a yarn that looks pale? No, I don't know. How do you say that? It's just shiny. It looks like it's a mercerized cotton, but then with bamboo added. You know what I mean? Please tell me how I should say that down into the comment section. You can leave your comments. Thank you so much for that. The Cotton Bamboo Light in the color white, and it comes in a package of 4 balls. How cool is that? I'm not sure what I'm gonna make with this, but it might be something for the summertime. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. Sorry. Yes. So this is what I bought at YARNS. So if you want to buy anything from YARNS, then please go down to the description box of this video, where you can find a link to where to buy this yarn. And I would really appreciate it if you would use my link to do that, because then you can see that you purchased something at their shop via me. And if you're watching this video before the very end of March 2019, which is March 31st of 2019, before 23:59 and 59 seconds PST time, that is in Turkey, then you can also use a coupon code, which is MBS, made by Siem, MBS 10, all in capitals. And you will get a 10% discount. So please use my link and coupon code, because you will help me out a lot. Because every now and then they do sponsor me by giving me yarn, and it really helps me to keep on making videos for free. So I would really appreciate that if you would do that. Anyway, there are over 5,000 different kinds of yarn that you can find on their website. So have a look. If it takes you a couple of days to find something that you really like, then please go back to my link. Just hit it one more time to be sure that that they can see that you come via me. And I really can recommend that you use the express shipping. They do ship all over the world, and that is if you can receive packages from Turkey. The express shipping, it takes about 1 to 4 business days till it gets to your house whenever you're in Europe, and I think it's in the United States as well. You can find all the details about that into the shopping basket of the website after you put some items in your shopping basket. Try and play a little with the amount of yarn that you have in your basket, and see what is the cheapest way for you. For me, it usually is 2.4 kilos yarn, 2,400 grams of yarn, 6 packages, just like you can see here. For me, that is the cheapest way to use the express code. Alright? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to use my link down to in the description box of the video. You can also use my coupon code whenever it is before March 31st, 2019. Like I said before, and so on and so on. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and please enjoy whatever you're going to do for the rest of the day. Bye for now.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.